Welcome to Websuasion. We are a digital marketing agency providing our customers with data, tech, and team. Research drives our strategy. We use existing technology and develop custom solutions. And our Atlanta-based professional team delivers experience and creative intuition. Some of the services we provide include data-driven SEO strategy, marketing website design, content marketing, video production, social media management, pay-per-click campaign management, marketing platform integration, and custom app development. We welcome the opportunity to drive qualified leads to your products and services. Get in touch and we'll schedule a meeting to see if we're a good match. The booming technology and entertainment industry in Atlanta makes it a marketing hub. We know there are several top digital marketing agencies in Atlanta to work with. It's important to us that our unique approach aligns with your business goals. First, we're an Atlanta-based team. One of the things our clients appreciate is that our team lives in the metro Atlanta area. We're happy to work with clients nationwide, but most of our clients also call Atlanta home. Next, no overseas outsourcing. We have an extensive network of professionals all over the country for specializations, but we rarely outsource. In the rare situations that we do, we don't outsource overseas. Keeping things local helps us to maintain quality, deadlines, and accountability. So let's talk about Websuasion's data-driven SEO strategy. Data-driven search engine optimization starts with comprehensive research and analysis to develop a content plan. At Websuasion, we use 26 data points to scrutinize each potential keyword phrase. The data becomes the basis of your website content and influences your messaging for your entire organization. It influences your digital advertising, email marketing, and even print assets. Data eliminates guessing. Knowing keyword effectiveness, user behavior, and competitor strategies gives your organization power. You no longer throw spaghetti at the wall to see what sticks. Data allows us to target your messaging where it matters. Research and strategy take the guesswork out of an effective online presence. Next, let's talk about marketing website design. Should your website be a brochure or a lead generation system? At Websuasion, the answer is lead generation. With only rare exceptions, each page on your website should drive qualified leads. If it doesn't, what's the point of it? Which raises the question, is your website a glorified branding asset? Most websites start as a glorified branding asset, a digital brochure. Businesses wonder why they aren't getting search traffic. It's because they didn't design the content to rank. At best, SEO optimization is shoehorned in as an afterthought, which will limit success. Fancy isn't what gets search traffic. You should design an attractive and engaging website. But to reach prospects and convert them to customers, you must build from a content strategy. A no-compromise, content-driven website will beat the fanciest award-winning web design every single time. So what's the purpose of content marketing? Content marketing is about distributing valuable, relevant content to your ideal customer. Formats will include articles, infographics, videos, photos, status updates, and more. Content marketing builds brand authority, fosters trust, and drives customer action. Working with a digital marketing agency laser-focused on content development is critical. So to boil it all down in the simplest terms, we inform, entertain, build trust, and grow sales. The key is valuable information. Successful marketing content that persists is infotainment. Don't get caught up in the desire to go viral. That's temporary and broad. Your ideal customers have specific pain points. Your content should address that pain and offer your solutions. Search and social media platforms will reward you with positioning. Users will reward you with clicking your calls to action. Next, video production. If content is king, well then video is the emperor. There is no better way to connect with prospects than through video. And these days, creating engaging videos is cost effective. We have over 30 years of video production experience, and we've aligned that production background with two core principles. One, our research drives your content. And two, we repurpose your content across all relevant formats. These principles mean that all the work that goes into building a search ranking web page continues to be valuable. That content becomes scripts for both long and short-form videos. Our place, your place, or do it yourself. We offer professional cameras, audio, and lights at our location or at yours. We also set up many clients with quality gear and training packages so they can film on their own schedules to their heart's content, and they upload the footage to us and we take it from there. Whether working from our footage or from yours, we excel at post-production. Seamless editing, color correction, audio sweetening, and motion graphics. We make you look good and format it all for the various platforms. We even handle distribution and scheduling. There are many uses for video. Automated webinars, long-format YouTube videos, short-format social media videos, pay-per-click ad campaign content, explaining your services, product demonstrations, customer testimonials, case studies, and training. Websuasion is one of Atlanta's few digital marketing agencies specializing in creating SEO videos. We look forward to discussing how video can work for you. So next, let's talk about social media management. Social media management is planning, creating, scheduling, and analyzing content for social media platforms. We generally focus on Facebook, Instagram, Threads, TikTok, and LinkedIn. We develop and implement a strategy to achieve your specific business goals. Social media can be effective for sales prospecting, partner connections, email list building, YouTube channel subscription, and much more. We will build a custom plan for managing the social media activity your business needs. An important Websuasion distinction is transparency with your pay-per-click budget. Our billing is hourly and transparent. We are not the middleman between you and the ad platform. The platform bills you directly for your ads. Our fees cover only our time, no markup, and there are no questions about where the money is going. Next, and this is where Websuasion really shines, is marketing platform integration and custom app development. We have over 25 years of full stack web development experience. Look at our case studies. You can see the level of our work for businesses in wide-ranging industries. When an existing software solution fills your needs, we're happy to use it. But often businesses will have specialized requirements beyond even the most robust systems. So let me ask you a question. Do you live inside spreadsheets? Where do you first go when available software solutions only provide some of the tools that you need? Probably Excel or Google Sheets, maybe Apple Numbers. We see it over and over again. Spreadsheets are great for simple tasks, but once things get complicated, you become a prisoner of the spreadsheet. They move slower and slower as you add data. It's all too easy to make mistakes that create a series of repercussions. It's also challenging to train someone as a backup, so good luck going on vacation without logging in to manage things. Custom web applications to the rescue. If the spreadsheet scenario is familiar to you, you should talk to us about custom web app development. We can look at the API integration capabilities of your current systems. We'll model a system based on the spreadsheets that you built. We will develop a secure, reliable, trainable, and time-saving custom solution. Here's some examples of business problems we solve. Payroll calculation for sales and labor. Financial reporting for C-suite executives. Job estimation and tracking. Research tools for medical studies. Customer relationship management. Customer service portals. Customer portals. Operations portals. Software as a service platforms. If there's an API, we can talk to it. If there's a business need that no one else is filling, we can code for it. So give us a call at Websuasion and let's set up an introductory meeting. Thanks for watching.